Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. Under the cover of the box you will find another box, so just remove it like that and like that. Just open it and remove the card like this, and then you will have here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it to the top, it's the most easiest way, and it's released. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having your phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take care and use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now your SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At the SIM tray, you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and optional a second one below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2 is always written here in the middle. So let's start now with the first SIM card. Of course it belongs to SIM 1. So press it well. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, and in case if you want to add a second SIM card, don't wonder, because the first SIM card will always jump out. This is no problem. If you want to have two SIM cards, start always with the second one first. Okay, let's insert a second SIM card now here. Press it well. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So the SIM card is having a missing corner. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And the same thing, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, let's add now the first SIM card again here. To complete it, press it from both sides then, if you insert two. And if you're ready with anyhow with one or two, just put the SIM tray back into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top, so to the display side now. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.